Hello everyone, a big virtual hug to you all. In this video, we're gonna solve 5 more problems regarding array data structure to master arrays and understand the logic building concepts in detail. Problem 1. From given array, find the minimum element. Logic. Assume that the first element of the array is the minimum. Let's call it min element. Now, iterate through each subsequent element starting from the second element. Now compare each subsequent element with min element. If a subsequent element is smaller than min element, update the min element to this smaller value. After checking all elements, the min element found is the result, which is the minimum element in the array. Let's write code for it. Store first element in a variable, which is min element. Iterate through the array. And inside the array, write a condition. If num is less than min element, then update the min element. And in the fifth step, just return the min element. And there you go. You write your first code. Problem 2. Given an array of integers and a target element, count the number of occurrences of the target element in the array. Logic. First take count of the target occurrences. Iterate through the array. If the current element is equal to the target element, increment the count. Return count simply. Write code. In first step, we have to store the count of occurrences of the target. So, take count variable and initialize it with 0. In step 2, use for loop to iterate the array. In step 3, write a condition. If num is equals to the target, increment the count. And in the fourth step, simply return the count variable. And you solve your second problem with ease. Problem 3. Remove duplicates from an array. Logic. This is the most easiest question of all times. Take a set, insert the array in a set. Store the set in a list, return the list. Now let's write code for it. In logic, we have 4 steps, but we can solve this problem in a single line. Just write return list, and inside this list write set, and inside this set write array, and it gives the unique element of the array. Always remember, in any programming language, set only store unique elements, and that's it. Problem 4. Given an array of integers, find the second largest element. Logic. Assume the largest and second largest element as negative infinity initially. Iterate through each element of the array. For each element, if it's greater than the largest element, update both largest and second largest. If it's greater than the second largest but not the largest, update second largest element. After iterating through all elements, the second largest element will be the result. Now write code. Take 2 variables, one is largest and second is second largest. Both set to negative infinity. Iterate through the array. Write a condition. If element is greater than the largest element, update both largest and second largest. And write second condition. If element is greater than second largest but not the largest, update only second largest variable. And return the second largest variable simply. Problem 5. Check if array contains a given element. Logic. Iterate the array. Check if number is equals to the target, return true, otherwise return false. Now it's time to write code by yourself and paste the code in the comment section. And that is for this video. Stay curious, keep learning, and may your code be bug free.